What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy a single product on Alibaba, or how you can place one order, or how you can buy one product. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right now. Now you just want to open your Alibaba account, and in the top you just want to search for what you are interested in. So for example, I am interested in LD ambient. I'm just going to search for a random thing, like for example LD ambient lighting car interior. After you search for what you want to buy here in the top, you just want to scroll down a little bit and you want to click on ready to ship. As you can see now, if you don't click on this option, Alibaba will show you all kind of items, even items that are not in stock. Okay, now you have to check this. As you can see, ready to ship, click on it. And after you click, guys, on ready to ship, what you need to do, guys, next is you wanna find a supplier that accepts one item. The minimum order amount is one set. Now as you can see, the top one is 20, like you have to buy 20. You can't buy 10 or 5. The second one is 20 pieces also, like you can't buy less than 20 pieces. But the third one, as you can see, it says here one set. That means you can buy one product of these. Okay, you just want to click on it, and after that, after you click on it, you can then click here how many items you want to buy. As you can see, the minimum is one set, which is good. So just click this plus. As you can see, one, so I'm going to buy one, and the price of the item is $5, but the price of the shipping is $14 for me. So for you it may be different. So you can also contact the supplier. You can just negotiate the price, like you can ask them, hi, I would like to get this item, I don't want to pay this much for shipping. They can like find other shipping methods. You can easily contact the supplier by clicking here, contact supplier, and then you can contact them whatever you want. Now after that, guys, you want to click on start order. As you can see, start order, or add to cart if you want. Now I'm going to go with start order. Start order means you are going to place the order. So in the top you want to add your shipping address. You want to add the address. This is my address, United States, Los Angeles, California. So what you need to do, guys, next is you want to add your address, like I said, and then at the very bottom you can add your credit card here. So this is my credit card. You want to add the month and the year, and that's it. And then you can pay, and then click pay now. Now after you click on pay now, you will have to wait like 2 days, and then the supplier will ship the product to you. And after that, guys, in the top you want to click on my Alibaba and then click on orders, and then you can find that order here, and then you just can track it. Like you will find there the tracking number. You can copy it, the tracking number, like after the product is being shipped, and then you can go to 70 track or any tracking website, and then you can paste that tracking number here, and that's it. And then you can start tracking the item until it arrives in your country, just like me. As you can see, I'm tracking it until it arrives in my country. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. If you drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. Like, watch the video in the screen to learn more about Alibaba, how you can buy from Alibaba, how to avoid scammers and stuff like that. So watch the video in the screen. It will be very helpful to you, and it will save you a lot of time. So I will leave you with the video in the screen. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like. See you.